TNEA Counseling Registrations 2026 have started. If you are planning to pursue BE, BTech or integrated engineering courses from Tamil Nadu, you cannot skip this video. Tamil Nadu Engineering Admissions or TNEA is a state level counseling conducted once every year. It is conducted based on class 12 marks for admissions to government and government aided engineering colleges and university departments. The last date to register for TNEA 2026 counseling is June 2, so make sure you register before that. I'll tell you the complete registration steps, but before that, let's check if you are eligible to apply. Firstly, only Indian nationals are eligible. For Tamil Nadu students, if you have studied class 8 to class 12 in Tamil Nadu, you can apply directly. No nativity certificate is needed. For non-Tamil candidates, you can apply if your parents have been working in Tamil Nadu for the last 5 years. Also, if you have studied class 8 to 12 in Tamil Nadu, you can also apply without any nativity proof. Special categories like Sri Lankan Tamil refugees and OCI and PIO candidates of TN origin are also eligible. And finally, the academic criteria. You must have passed class 12th with minimum 45% for general category and 40% for reserved categories. If you meet these criteria and have valid supporting documents to prove it, you are eligible to apply. Now let's talk about the steps to apply for TNEA Counseling 2026. Visit tneaonline.org, register with basic details including your mobile number. Verify the mobile number with the received OTP, then log in and fill the application form. Pay the application fee and submit. The application fee for OC, BC, BCM, MBC and DNC categories is 500 rupees and for SC, SCA and ST categories it's 250 rupees. You will also have to upload some important documents for verification such as mark sheets of class 10th, 11th and 12th, transfer certificate, community certificate, nativity certificate, etc. After the registration and certificate upload, you will be allotted a random number which is a unique 10-digit registration code generated by the system. After proper certificate verification, rank list will be released. The next steps are choice filling, seat allotment, confirmation and reporting to the college. The entire process is online except certificate verification. Before moving on, if you want latest updates related to all these steps in the TNEA counseling process, don't forget to subscribe to Shiksha Engineering channel. So TNEA is a great option to enter top engineering colleges in Tamil Nadu, but it's not your only option. There are many other routes and entrance exams to take admission in top BTech colleges in Tamil Nadu and other South Indian states. If you want to know more about these alternate BTech admission routes, just WhatsApp BTech at 8585951111 and get free guidance. Also, don't forget to like and share the video.